In this video, we are going to see how we can pay to the vendors and clear our pending bills. As you can see here, on 28th of January, it says payment made to Wallace and Sons by check, and the check number is this of Citibank. So we are basically clearing to the pending bills. Let's go to the vendors and purchases section in Sage and click on pay bills, because the next stage is pay bills. Click on that. Click on pay bills. Reference number, you can mention any reference number. I will mention the check number right here, which is this one. Paste it right here. Make sure you change the date before you enter any further things. So 28th of January is the date, and we are paying to Wallace and Sons. Choose Wallace and Sons. They have the pending balance of 277,500, out of which we are paying 175,000. That means this is a partial payment. So select the Citibank here. We are paying by Citibank. But if we choose this, the amount paid will be shown in full. But that's not a problem. We can manually mention the amount right here that we are paying. 175,000 is the amount that we are clearing. So let's mention 175,000 and all set. We can paste the memo and description both from this project of ours. Paste it in the memo, paste it in the description. All set. There's no discount. Before entering, let's check the journal entry, and that is this. Liability is cleared. So 2000 is liability. How do I know? Because all the liability accounts start from 2000. Even though they are grayed out, we cannot check this, but we know that. So accounts payable is 2000. That's debit. And against that, Citibank is credit. Perfect. Entry. Let's save it. And that's how we cleared the balances. The next transaction is also similar, and it's of 29th of January. This says payment made to Apex Enterprise by check of Citibank. Let me just highlight that as well. In fact, let me just highlight this one and unhighlight that one so that we don't confuse any amounts. All right, perfect. Let's go to the pay bills and click on pay bill. This is paid to Apex Enterprise. Let's select the vendor. Here it is. Just mention the check number. Okay, we have the check number right here. Let's paste it right here. Payment is made on 29th of January and it is paid by Citibank. So Citibank is already selected, and against 270,000 balance, we are paying 150,000. So click on amount paid field, and here we just write 150,000. Make sure the zeros are correct. After that, all we have to do is just copy this memo and paste it in the description, and even in the memo if you like to. Rest all okay. If you want to check the journal entry effect, click on journal. Debit is payable since the payable is reducing, and against that, Citibank is credit. Perfect. Entry and save it. That's how we pay for the vendors in Sage. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.